So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram link at your WhatsApp account. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how we can add our Instagram link into our WhatsApp. Let's go. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Click on the bottom right, which is you, and then click on the pen icon at the top right, the edit icon, and then you can see links, right? Just click on add links, and then you can see you can add Instagram or Facebook. Let's just add Instagram. Click on that. You need to be linked to your profile already, so I already linked to my profile. Okay, continue. And then it is added into my WhatsApp profile. So if you want to check the link, all you need to do is just see here, links, click on that, and you can see the link itself. And then you can click on this, you can view link, or change Instagram profile or remove link if you wanted to. This is if you are connected to your account. If you're not connected to your account, you can just put in your username and then it will be connected as well. Now you can go to privacy setting as well, just to check, and then just go to links. So you can check in the place where you can ensure not everyone see your link. It could be everyone, my contact accept, or nobody see your links. So that's how easily you can add Instagram link to your WhatsApp. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.